Whether your child has weeks of summer left or the school year is just around the corner, there's still time to build confidence and turn summer break into summer breakthroughs. Summer learning is all about keeping skills active, minds engaged, and students feeling prepared for the year ahead. Many parents worry about summer learning loss, but the good news is that learning can happen naturally through everyday activities. Check out these 3 simple tips to help your child keep learning all summer long. Tip number 1, read for enjoyment. Summer is the perfect time for children to choose books they actually enjoy. Reading for fun helps strengthen vocabulary, comprehension, and confidence, all while encouraging a lifelong love of reading. Tip number 2, practice math in everyday moments. Math is everywhere. Cooking, shopping, or even planning a trip can help children practice important math skills without it feeling like homework. Tip number 3, encourage problem solving. Skills they'll use both inside and outside the classroom. Games, puzzles, and hands-on activities help children develop creativity, critical thinking, and perseverance. For some students, summer is also a great opportunity for extra support. Summer tutoring isn't about taking away from summer fun. It's about providing personalized learning that helps students strengthen skills, build confidence, and start the new school year feeling ready. Even a small amount of focused learning each week can make a meaningful difference. This summer, don't focus on doing more. Focus on learning differently. With the right balance of fun, curiosity, and flexibility, children can enjoy their break while continuing to grow just before the back-to-school transition. Want to help your child stay confident and prepared for the next school year? Contact GradePower Learning today to learn more.